Welcome to the channel. Cryptocurrencies are exciting, but they can also be risky, especially if you're just starting out. If you're looking to avoid costly mistakes while navigating the crypto world, you're in the right place. Today, we'll go over 10 common mistakes that people make when investing in crypto, and how you can avoid them. By the end of this video, you'll know how to protect yourself from these pitfalls and make smarter investment decisions. Let's dive in. Mistake 1. FOMO. Investing out of fear of missing out. The first mistake is FOMO, fear of missing out. This happens when you see a coin or project rapidly rising in price and you feel the urge to buy in without doing your research. Don't let emotions drive your investments. Always take the time to analyze the project, understand its fundamentals, and make sure it fits your investment strategy. Jumping in because everyone else is, can lead to buying at the peak, and that can be costly when the price eventually drops. Mistake 2. Not doing enough research. The second mistake is not doing enough research. Many new investors buy cryptocurrencies based on hype or recommendations from others without truly understanding the project. Before investing, read the white papers, check the team behind the project, and understand its goals. Never invest in something just because it's trending. Take your time to learn about the project's potential and how it fits within the broader market. Mistake 3. Putting all your money into one coin. Mistake number 3 is putting all your money into one coin. While it may seem like a good idea to go all in on a coin that you believe will do well, this is extremely risky. The cryptocurrency market is volatile, and no coin is guaranteed to succeed. Diversification is key. Spread your investments across multiple coins to reduce risk. A diversified portfolio will protect you from the extreme ups and downs of the market. Mistake 4. Ignoring security and safety practices. Security is crucial when it comes to cryptocurrencies. Mistake number 4 is not taking proper security measures to protect your investments. Make sure you use secure wallets, like hardware wallets for long-term storage, enable two-factor authentication, and never share your private keys with anyone. Cybersecurity threats are real, and keeping your investments secure should be a top priority. Mistake 5. Focusing only on short-term gains. Mistake number 5 is focusing too much on short-term gains. It's easy to get caught up in the day-to-day price fluctuations, but trying to make quick profits can often lead to poor decisions. Instead, focus on the long-term potential of a project. Cryptocurrencies tend to be volatile in the short term, but if you believe in a project's long-term value, holding it over time could yield better results. Mistake 6. Ignoring fees and transaction costs. Mistake number 6 is ignoring fees and transaction costs. Every time you buy, sell, or trade crypto, you'll incur some form of fee, whether it's exchange fees, network fees, or withdrawal fees. These fees can add up quickly, especially if you're making frequent trades. Always factor these costs into your investment strategy and be mindful of how they can eat into your profits. Mistake 7. Over-leveraging and using too much debt. Mistake number 7 is over-leveraging, or using too much debt to invest in crypto. Some exchanges allow you to borrow money to increase your position, but this is a risky move. Using leverage amplifies both your gains and your losses. If the market goes against you, you can lose more than you invested. It's best to avoid using excessive leverage until you gain more experience and confidence in your strategy. Mistake 8. Focusing on too many projects. Mistake number 8 is spreading yourself too thin by focusing on too many projects. While diversification is important, it's also essential to stay focused on the projects you truly believe in. Trying to track and manage too many coins can lead to confusion and missed opportunities. Instead, concentrate on a few quality projects that you thoroughly researched and understand well. Mistake 9. Following the wrong advice. Mistake number 9 is following the wrong advice. It's easy to get caught up in influencer recommendations or crypto gurus who promise huge returns. But not all advice is good advice. Always do your own research and make decisions based on your own analysis. Don't rely solely on others to guide your investment choices, especially when those sources are driven by hype and not solid fundamentals. Mistake 10. Panicking and selling during a dump. The final mistake is panicking and selling during a market downturn. Cryptocurrencies are volatile, and there will be times when the market drops dramatically. Selling in a panic during these dips is often the wrong decision. If you truly believe in the project you've invested in, holding through the downturn can allow you to capitalize on the eventual recovery. Emotional decisions rarely work out in the long run, so try to stay calm and stick to your strategy. So, there you have it, 10 common mistakes to avoid when investing in cryptocurrencies. 1. FOMO, investing out of fear of missing out. 2. Not doing enough research. 3. Putting all your money into one coin. 4. Ignoring security and safety practices. 5. Focusing only on short-term gains. 6. Ignoring fees and transaction costs. 7. Over-leveraging and using too much debt. 8. Focusing on too many projects. 9. Following the wrong advice. 10. Panicking and selling during a dump. Avoiding these mistakes will set you up for a much more successful and secure investment journey in the crypto world. Always remember, the key is patience, education, and research. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let me know in the comments which mistakes you've encountered in your crypto journey, or if you have any other tips to avoid them. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your cryptocurrency investments. Stay smart and stay safe. This script focuses on common beginner mistakes in cryptocurrency investing and how to avoid them, with clear explanations and actionable advice for a more secure and successful investment journey.